Hi, welcome to HomePro. My name is Javier. I'm the Showroom Sales Manager. Today we're going to walk through the design aspect of your home and how we're going to prepare for your technology. So from the moment that you walk into HomePro, you're going to see our outdoor kitchen setup. Now this is all curated to last and withstand the life of the home. We can arrange these in a certain way to where you can have a burner, you can have a grill, you can have a sink. These can be smaller sections. This is our largest featured outdoor kitchen setup. All of our cabinetry that we have here is painted from the inside out. It'll withstand the test of time. If any nicks or anything like that happen, it's still going to be blue or whatever color you chose, with the granite countertop and the True Flame grill and a couple of other brands that we have out here as well.
So is that the only outdoor setup you have?
No, actually we have a trailer that we set up for some of the different configurations that we can actually roll out to communities and take it on the go. We take it from branch to branch as well, so you might see it traveling on the road going to Austin or Houston or San Antonio. Here at HomePro we have 10 offices. We have 9 technical consultants. The 9 technical consultants are going to guide you through your diagram, the stuff that comes with your home. So let's go in here to my office. So we come in through one of our offices. All of our offices are set up to where we have the computer, we have a monitor, we navigate you, we pull up the diagrams of your home. And with the diagrams, we're gonna guide you through what comes standard. You're buying a new home, so you obviously are gonna have certain things that are gonna come with the home. That way you have some entertainment, some internet lines, and you can be set up for success. As a technology consultant, what I want to do is I want to make sure that you understand what your home is going to come wired with, and then also we need to use our imagination to be able to add to the home so that you're getting everything that you expect. So the first few minutes we're in here taking a look at your diagram. You're telling me what room is what and how you plan to use it, and then we go into the showroom presentation. So we've already seen the outdoor kitchen setup. Now we're going to go into the showroom. Our showroom is designed to mock a one-story house. We start from the outdoor area with a fire pit, and as you can see over here, this is our main entryway. We showcase some lighting, some uplighting with some of the builders. We have the opportunity to do that, and we also encourage anybody to get inspired and take pictures as they want, and they can talk to their design team when they get back to their design visits. If you come on through here, we're now into the home. This is where we start our presentation here at HomePro. So it's very important for you as a home buyer to understand you're here to plan for your technology needs. This right here is my fake wall. It's designed to show you this is what we're up against after you sheetrock the home. So if you're gonna wanna mount a television, say like that over there that we have here, we don't have any power or wire showing. We have a power outlet installed behind there, and then all the wires are being ran either to a different location, or they might be below where a TV stand would be, for example. You want a TV behind the wall? Let's plan for your outlet behind here. If you want to run your cabling for your PlayStation, your Xbox, your whatever, we need to drop the line down, and it's best to do that in the plan phase. You don't, much like buying a new car, you don't want to be the first one that puts the scratch in it. So why not plan for it so that you have everything that you need? This right here is our technology hub. The technology hub is basically like a breaker box, but for all your internet lines and your HDMI lines, everything goes here so that you know how to access it. And if you need to do any troubleshooting or you need to do any hardwiring, it all comes here. With our alarm systems, we give you a visual on the ones that we have here on the wall, along with the smoke detectors, contact sensors, and things like that. We also have the one that either comes with the home and the one that you can upgrade to as far as like a touchscreen in case you want the aesthetic. So this is the first room we start with. We also offer whole home vacuum systems, and we design this to where you have an inlet to be able to access every corner of the house. And so essentially you would have this inlet that would come out, you slide it in, you have about 25 feet of vacuum cabling, and you're able to get every square footage of the home, move on to the next and do that. The benefits to the whole home vacuum system is we're not recirculating air. It's going into your tubing, it's going up over into the garage and exhausting outside of the house. It's also a lot stronger. Cleaner air, better performance, and it's a convenience because you can get it every square footage of the home. So this is our main bedroom. Once again, we designed it to give everybody a visual. So we have our bed here. We have our television cleanly mounted. It's very nice. We have the speakers up here that are flush. We can tie in our audio from our television or just play music, or at night if you want to play some background noise or, you know, whatever helps you sleep or wake up, you can do something like that. In our bathroom here, we're going to have speakers that are installed so that you can get ready for work, listen to podcasts or whatever. And then also we illustrate our kick plate here, which is our vacuum system. So I'm able to grab a broom and sweep up some of the debris, and it goes in through there, through the garage canister, out the house. Everything's clean. So every home is going to come with some sort of living quarters family suite. This right here is our family room. And we want to give you the same type of thing, the fireplace, the television. What technology needs would you like in here? Well, we can do a surround sound system, or we can just do a concealed speaker system so that you can get the enhanced audio and the wow factor for the entertainment space. Much like here in Texas, we like to entertain outside. A lot of people like to gather towards the family room, open to the kitchen, which we have over here. So most the floor plans we're starting to see is very open concept.
Okay, let's talk about the kitchen. What about lighting in the kitchen?
So lighting in the kitchen, we showcase some of our under cabinet kick plate lightings. We also have some recessed lights that go into the cabinet itself so that you're able to have a really nice dispersed look in the kitchen. We do have some more speakers because, like I said, we like to make sure that we're fluid throughout when it comes to our experience, our audio experience. We're also showcasing that we are able to plan for not putting outlets on the backsplash. We actually have our outlets ran underneath so that you're able to, when you want to pull out your mixer, your blender, you can connect, but you don't have to put the outlets on the backsplash. And that's one of the features a lot of our buyers get inspired from. We walk through the kitchen and we go into our garage. This is where I have the canister installed for the whole home vacuum system. You also have an inlet here so you can always vacuum out your car because it's an easy access and convenience. Also, you'll see the electrical breaker boxes that we have here. We do offer different smart panels in some of these. I also offer generators as well. So this is what we're showing in our garage. Now we're gonna go to the fun room. Follow me. This is the fun room. This is the dedicated media room. It's different from a theater room because we have our L-shaped sectional couch. We're showing that you don't have to have a theater room or want to have the desire to have a theater room in order to showcase something special. It's all about the experience, right? Nobody goes to the movie theater to listen to like a sound bar. This right here is fully equipped and it's meant to be very, very bombastic in sound. It is definitely going to be a tier above what we listen to in the family room. We have a projector, we have a screen. I'm gonna dim the lights a little bit just so you can get an idea of what it looks like when we start controlling some of that ambient light. But we have a 110-inch projector screen. And then we feature a 5-channel surround sound system in here, in the wall. We also have 2 speakers overhead and then a subwoofer to help drive that impact and effect when you're watching your movies. So there's a couple things here. This is our Savant Center. We do have the EV to where we can plan for our charging systems for all the electrical vehicles, and we can go ahead and plan for that and outfit that. We also have smart panels so that you're able to control or at least see where your energy is going from. A lot of our buyers want to be educated and use the least amount of energy as possible. And this right here will sort of give you a chart and a map so that you're able to see what's activated, what's not activated. You're able to shut things off remotely as well. And it's all powered by one of our brands called Savant. Savant is also one of our, this display here, the lighting, is a circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm is basically mimicking the way that our sun and different temperature levels. And what I mean by that is the color level. And then it basically gives you an idea as if you were outside, helping your body be more in sync with nature.